you know that meme, it's a hard work, but honest work? This is the opposite.
É verdade, não se faz nada e ganha-se muito.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very happy because I am here with Giselle and her assistant, her friend is filming. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you ever receive a message of someone saying, talk with this brand, they are looking for ambassadors to represent and stuff like that?
Sim.
So I actually replied and check out what it is and where the rabbit hole took me. And that took me to this lovely dress. Giselle has the dress here. Is it comfortable?
It was verdade.
See.
Não.
How much do you think was this dress?
10
Euros.
Sim, 10 euros.
10 euros. So she's saying...
$15?
Okay, so you're gonna be surprised. They told me, very simple, as an ambassador, I could buy any clothes with a discount code of 50%. Generous. 50% is generous. So what I did is actually screenshot the image that they have on the site, look it up on Google Images, try to find the origin of that dress. Because these kind of companies, usually what they do is try to make people purchase their products by a very high price. So that meaning this dress originally was 100 euros with 50% of discount, 50 euros plus transport. Now, those companies hold no stock on them. So when you buy the dress, when you purchase the dress on those websites, they purchase from the original site. And a good way to find that is just make a screenshot, because they don't make a photo shoot as we did today, tonight, and search it on Google Images. I found out the original brand, Shane, something like that, okay? You think it was $15, around 10 euros. It was 4 euros.
Oh.
And free shipping. So only 40 euros for this dress. I ask you on the comments, is this a scam or not? What do you think, Giselle?
Eu acho que sim. Porque se ele custava 100 euros no preço original, vendem a 4, os de 100 estão enganando, né?
Estás a passar com abuso, não é?
Eu acho que não é justo, não é? Para quem... a empresa que está a vender, mas também tem no meu direito de vender o preço que aquilo fez. Agora, eu acho que devia haver limite.
Okay. I think maybe what they are doing that it's illegal. Okay, she's cold. She's getting cold. E nunca tem frio. The only thing that I saw that probably is illegal is that they are selling other people, other brand stuff as their own.
A manipulação.
My main problem is that their business strategy is to fool people to buy stuff to be featured on their Instagram account. Because usually those accounts has 250,000 or 500,000 or 1 million or even more. And you say that, oh, they want to share me with their stuff on their Instagram, and people will fall for that and into that. That's the only thing that I found that it's not cool at all.
Eu conheço várias bloggers que realmente, tipo, as marcas dão, tipo, ofertas, né? Dão aquilo a elas. E realmente as pessoas compram mais por ser elas. Por isso acho que se vende a imagem, não propriamente o produto.
But in that case, they are selling, they can be resellers, but they are not hiding the real price, they're not hiding, they get a percentage when the other people buy through them via a code or something like that, okay? And you know the real price of the thing that you are buying. It's not hide when they are sponsored, because you have sponsored posts on Instagram, but when they are sponsored, usually they are sponsored the real brand, hopefully, for the real price, maybe with a discount code, but it's the real thing as principle. Maybe there is some exceptions, but there you go. Outra vez, não é?
Outra vez. É manipulação.
I will continue this photo shoot because we did a lovely photo shoot here with Giselle, but we're gonna do another photo shoot. If you want to see the pictures, check her out on Instagram, it's in the description, and there you go. So drop a like if you learned something, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, Giselle, and the camera lady.
Stephanie.
See ya.